AI did not make creativity disappear. It made output cheap. And that changes almost everything. A few years ago, the hard part was making the thing. The code, the image, the pitch deck, the video, the app, the prototype. You had to sit with the blank page, the broken build, the ugly first draft. You had to slowly drag something real out of yourself. Now, the machine can generate 10 versions before your coffee gets cold. That sounds like magic, and sometimes it is. But it also creates a new problem. If everyone can make more, faster, cheaper, then making is no longer enough. The scarce thing becomes direction. What should exist? Why should it exist? What is worth spending attention on? That is the part AI does not solve for you. AI has width, almost infinite width. It can scan every style, every framework, every market, every trend, every reference image, every repo, every viral format. It can spread sideways forever. But humans have depth. Depth is where taste comes from. Depth is memory, pain, obsession, childhood, failure. The weird little references nobody else understands. That is why one ugly drawing from your kid can mean more than a perfect generated oil painting. The drawing is not valuable because it is technically good. It is valuable because it came from a life. That is the thing we need to protect. Not by refusing AI. That is too easy. And honestly, probably wrong. The market is already choosing people who can use these tools well. The builder who can orchestrate machines is going to move faster than the builder pretending nothing changed. But there is another trap. If you let the machine make every choice, you do not become more creative. You become a passenger. You outsource the struggle before the struggle teaches you anything. And that is where the slop comes from. Not from AI itself, from people with infinite output and no direction. So the question is not, should we use AI? Of course we should. The question is, what parts of ourselves are we trying to amplify? If AI gives you width, you still need depth. If AI gives you speed, you still need taste. If AI gives you output, you still need judgment. This is the new creative frontier. Not man versus machine, not artist versus algorithm. It is whether you can stay human while using tools that make you superhuman. Because the future will not belong to the people who can generate the most. It will belong to the people who know what is worth generating. Strange Future Lab. Signals from the timeline getting louder.